There are many times on a concrete slab where there is a section of floor that is damaged, broken, crumbling, or at a low height that's not flush with the rest of the finished floor level. This is a showcase of a small job that we took care of for a well-known media branding company, where there was a section of floor they were refitting out and redesigning their whole entire office space. And this section of floor was actually in very bad shape, so we lowered the whole section of floor by 1/2 inch. As you can see here, we ground it out in the light grey area you'll see there in the highlight. And once that was done, we were actually able to install the anti-vibration layer, which we use as a mandatory bonding agent and also to protect the floor so that it doesn't delaminate. Once that was installed, we began to mix and pour an underlayment product that is essentially designed to fill that space that's been lowered by 1/2 inch and bring the floor up to a level, flush, finished floor level. Product is mixed, poured, and then worked to sit at a flat, leveled finish. As you can see, it dries, and then we'll grind the floor so that it's flush with the rest of the floor. A lot of the times we'll slightly overfill it, so then we can grind it back flush so it's even and it has a seamless transition. As you can see here, the before and afters, it shows that we repaired the slab so that it was seamless, so that the flooring could be finished over the top of it, and that it would have structural integrity and there wouldn't be any strange dips or uneven levels on the floor. Have a great day. Call us for all your slab repair needs, and we'll be happy to give you a quote. Thank you for watching.